All right, hey guys, AJ here, Richardson Tree Farms. Dun, 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 dun. So I didn't think about it. I got out here, got busy, and I didn't think about picking up the camera and saying, "Hey, let's film some of this stuff. These people might be interested in what we got going on here." So, anywho, we did, and what we've got going on, a lot of projects this weekend. Back here behind me, you see, got the big brush pile. It's burning. It was about, well, it was a whole lot bigger than what it is now. Been burning it, getting it taken care of. See my pile of wood there I've piled up. I've got another pile about the same size up front there. This is our little clearing job here, where those trees are right there. That used to be where the tree line was, so we pushed it back about another 100 feet or so, something like that. Back here behind me, we got the old tractor running. Well, it's been up and running. Been doing some plowing. I talked about that. You know, we're going to do some good moldboard plowing here. Got a 14-inch single bottom on the back of this. Old tractor hadn't ran in quite a while, and buddy, she is pulling like you wouldn't believe. See a plow right there. Still got to put the hood and all that good stuff on it. I'll flip you around here. We'll do a little talking, narrating, and kind of show you what I've got, what else we've got going on. Okay, so you can see where we've ran over this with the plow here and the big tractor. I'm gonna walk on over this way. Just kind of show you what we're thinking. I got Cooper, he's here with me. Hey Coop. Yep. He's running the other tractor, running the tiller over this stuff, kind of get her broke up pretty good. It's looking pretty decent, to be honest with you. So, anywho, this is a lot of what we've been pulling up here. Got our nice fire. Feel the heat from here. Got a stump over there we tried burying in this hole right here, and it just didn't get the hole deep enough. The stump had about a 5-foot taproot on it, and just didn't get her set in deep enough. So we'll have to get the excavator back over here and pull it out, redo that. But what we're thinking, I'll show you. We still got quite a bit of cleaning up to do, you can tell. But anywho, what we're thinking here is, you see our row of trees right up there. We're gonna go another 4 down this way here. So that'll put us about right in this area. And right here, we're gonna have this nice little spot next to the creek. Still got a couple trees hung up there that we got to pull down, but it's a nice little creek area right here. We'll maybe put us a fire pit out there, and you know, nice little camping spot, or who knows what. So have our little camping area out there. You know, we're pretty active in Boy Scouts. Both the boys are. So it might be a good little adventure for them. You might see some of their troop out here. We've been talking to them, and there's a good chance that they may come out here and help us plant some trees as part of their service hours. So that would be a good thing. That'd be a good thing, and extra help. I'm not going to turn that down by any means. So, anywho, guys, I'm going to take and I'll set the camera up here and run it for a little bit. Show you guys, you know, kind of what we've got going on here. Got just a little bit of plowing left to do. So I'll let you guys see that, and we'll go from there. I'll catch you guys in a minute. So I just want to say this. This is a 1957. Let's see it. There it is. It's a 1957 Ford 871 Powermaster. It's got a Selecto speed transmission on it. Kind of uncommon. But it's kind of a shift on the go thing. So it's not running absolutely perfect. I've rebuilt the ignition on it, rebuilt the carburetor, but the motor's got a lot of hours on it. You can tell. It's leaking a little hydraulic fluid here and there, all that good stuff. So it doesn't run perfect, but it'll get the job done. It'll get the job done. It misses every once in a while. That's no big deal. No big deal. Runs pretty good for what it is. So let me get you guys turned around here, show you what we got. Let her rip here. Take her, kid. Okay, so while Cooper's over here, he's finishing up doing this tilling here. You can probably hear some of the rocks and stuff in this ground. But anywho, we're getting her along here. Got our little field set up here for our next. That's where our spring planting is going to be. What this is. Fall planting will continue back over here behind me. So it's kind of what we've been doing today. I got out here about 7 o'clock this morning. As you can tell, the sun's going down on me. Still not completely done with everything I want to do. I'll get on the tractor here. We'll shove this pile back in real quick. I'll set the camera over the side and let you see that. But all in all, it's been a really productive day. Really productive. Been a pretty beautiful day. Beautiful day. Got my jacket sitting over here on the propane tank. It was a little chilly this morning. Starting to cool off now. So, anywho, guys. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go walk over here to the trees real quick. These little Norway spruces. Let's have a look see at those. See what we've got. A lot of this ground looks pretty decent, but there's still a lot of clay in it though. You can definitely tell that. We'll have to let her dry for a little bit and come back, run the tiller back over it. But it's dried out pretty good though, I must say. Oh, all right, there we go. So let's get us a look-see here. Here's one of our little Norways right here. Get a good look at him. He's not brittle. He's not nothing. He's gonna be in good shape, I do believe. Made it through the winter. Got a whole field of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows that we planted this past fall, actually. Past fall. Got one here that he doesn't look like he's doing so hot. Yeah. Not a leaf. Nothing falling off of him, and he's got buds on him. So we'll see. We'll see. Got to take our sprinklers down from when we were doing a little different irrigation. We'll be getting rid of those. Don't necessarily think we need them, but yeah. I'll walk up here and I'll give you an overview here of the whole entire field, so to speak. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not. See, there's all the gravel that we've got showing up in the ground. There's quite a bit of it, to be honest with you. Not a big fan of that. It's just in certain spots, though. Just in certain spots. So, anywho, let's look here. Yeah, there we go. There's the field, and there's what we're adding. Got a little shine off the top of the head. That's all right. I did have a wintertime video after the ice. We got a bunch of snow, and I don't know what I did with the video. I don't know. It's somewhere hidden on my computer. I've been trying to look for it and try to get it posted. Might be a little late, but that's all right. That's all right. We'll get her found and get her put on here. So, anywho, this is my next project. I did burn a lot of this whenever we had the snow on the ground, just because you see all the vegetation that's around it. I want to get it out of here, get it gone. Some of it didn't burn, but we had a lot of snow on the ground, so it didn't hurt anything though. So anywho, all right, well, I think that's a pretty good little update for the evening, what we got going on. Like I said, I'm gonna shove this fire up here real quick. It's dying down pretty good, so we'll shove it together, and I guess that'll be about the end of it. Alrighty, guys. So, as you can well tell, started up. Raging fire. Raging fire. Well, anywho, boy Cooper here. He was out helping me today. Had the youngest one out here. We were pulling trees earlier, and he had basketball practice, whatever. I told Cooper, I said, come on out. Give me a hand. So, anywho, I think that's a good day. Good day. What do you think?
I think it's a good day.
All right. All right. So, until next time, I'll see if I can find that, figure out where in the world that snow video went. There was a little content in that. So, I'll see what I can find there. As you guys well know,
Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications.
there you go. All push notifications. You heard it from him. So, till next time.